turning that thing off.
Loud.
It is loud. Jeez Louise. What you got going on over there?
Custom seat mount tabs. Because nothing on the Masters built fits the Rocket.
Well, you know, it's just holes in a seat.
Well, I just, you call Rocket, ask them about the fuel cell. They're like, oh yeah, get you an ATL teardrop, $1,700. We got a custom cage, fit right in there.
Sold.
Yeah. So now I'm scared to be like, okay, talk to me about the seat mount, you can get a Butler built seat. Well, if we had ordered one 2 years ago, we might be able to get it today. But we want to race in 8 or 10 weeks here. At least when the weather warms. As soon as the weather warms up, I'd love to be hitting the track. So we don't have time for that. Custom seat tabs, how we roll at LMG, and I feel like we need to roll this car up on its side to do this, but I think we're gonna manage to make it happen underneath. We'll see what happens. Come on down. Get your light here.
Squeeze around here.
Better squeeze. Better squeeze. Oh,
he's
defy gravity. Defy gravity.
He's got some paint marks down here. Oh, there we go. So we're gonna take these angles. Get on up in there. Show them where it's at. Oh, that feels good though, compared to this concrete.
Yeah, concrete is very cold.
Yeah.
We're gonna need to come back 4 inches from this hole. So, roughly.
Yeah.
So instead of putting a tab like this in, we're gonna put this piece of metal in. We're gonna weld it up through here, fill it in and weld it down there. And this is way stronger than this. Shouldn't have any problems with that. And mount our seat to it. We're ready to, custom track. And if we don't destroy this one and sell it, the next person will have extra room there to move their seat back and forth.
Yeah.
We just
go ahead.
The base of the seat lays back so much.
Right. That's
this
what's
is
ready to show 'em.
up in the air. Yeah, go up and show them.
Yeah. The whole reason we got to do that is because the seat's got a lay back in it. So I don't know if you guys can see that rusty spot right there, but that's where the holes are now. And we drilled these holes here to fit our master belt. So we'll put some new ones in somewhere and figure out where they need to go and bolt them up. And then this is gonna go in. Perfect. You got it grinded yet?
What's that?
You got it grinded yet? Welded?
Not yet.
Why ain't it in?
Well, it takes some time.
No, it doesn't.
It's only your butt.
You're just laying on your back.
I am.
All right.
Analyzing the situation.
Analyzing the situation. Perfect. We'll catch back up here in just a minute. See you. Looks like you're all geared up. Oh, he puts the helmet down.
Retake.
Yeah, retake.
Going under.
Going under.
Teach you how to not weld upside down. Follow us.
I'll say we zip. Oh, she's hot, son. I told you why you were just yelling at me about not cleaning up that hydraulic oil over there. Well, don't worry, you're ready to weld right now.
Catch on fire. Visions of your house burning to the ground.
That's why I upped the insurance.
Trust me. Drew says we need a little catch up here, so here we are. Got the nose all off, suspension all off. Some over there. Car's looking naked on the front side here. Reason for all this, one is we want to go through every part and piece on this car before we hit the track, and two, we are gotta fix our crack. As we mentioned in our other video, no, I'm not talented enough to put the link up in the corner. Sorry about that. But we're gonna get this fixed. Don't think it'll be too much of a problem. And gonna grind it off, get all the powder coat off, maybe grind down a little bit deeper with the harder disc, and get the welder turned up good and hot. Make it happen. Any other comments from the peanut gallery?
No, not at all. Just give her a little rub down, clean things up, see if everything else is up to par, and get that fixed up and start working on the brakes. Taking some of these janky fittings off, replace them some with better things.
Gotta get a hold of a guy named Alan about a socket.
Yeah, apparently these are
This guy out.
giant Allens underneath here. This thing definitely shouldn't
Oh yeah, let's get a good shot of that.
wiggle like that, I don't think. Don't think that's normal. I'll have to get rebuilt.
Yep. Sweet a little bit of that sweet money. Get us back in action.
That's right. Quit hitting the nose.
I know.
Keep backing up into it.
Knock everything off. All right, we're gonna get back at it and get the welder fired up and get this thing fixed so we can put it to bed. Turn Mr. Clanky off here.
Yeah, Mr. Clanky.
Are you running live or are you timing?
Yeah, I'm live. They put a little divot in there. Right in there. I don't know if you guys can really see it or not, but that way you can fill the gap. Don't weld that nut to it.
No doubt. Let's just kind of take it easy on it here.
Blow on it for good luck.
Put the COVID all over it, and then we do this, we burn it all off.
Rub it.
Rub and brace it, baby.
You gonna climb in again?
No, I think
Like the old days?
Like the old. It ain't the prettiest.
It's all right. Needs some light.
Yeah, I can't see it because I'm shadowing all my light.
Yeah.
So I just need to come straight up to here.
Bam.
Will it cool down? We'll grind it back down again.
Do you want to
Clean up
hit
maybe?
any of this up there, or did you determine if it was good?
You know, I didn't really even think about that.
What do you want?
I don't know. I mean, they did the same thing I just did here right there. They blew a big hole in it.
Right.
Just keep on welding on it. It's gonna make any difference? I don't think so. I can see the hole they blew in it right there. Oh, let's clean it up. Let's fix it. How all the paint just bubbled up. All the paint they put on the outside of the powder coat.
Right.
As soon as that metal got hot, it just...
Right.
Well, I think that did a pretty good job, to be honest. I'm pretty happy with that. I honestly probably had too much oomph here. That's why I had too much wire.
Right.
That's why it looks so...
No.
But I wanted to put a
You
bunch
don't do
of
it
metal.
by day, so.
Yeah, and I wanted to put a bunch of metal on there. You know, we're trying to overlay, build up strength. So I think we did good. I don't think we'll have any problems out of it. She looks a little ugly. Looks much better over here.
Yeah, once you put some paint on it, all goes away.
Should be fine.
Well, all right, gang. Appreciate you guys watching. That's all we're gonna do for today, and we've got lots of things. We made a big list, didn't we?
Yes, we did.
It's probably the first one of many, but it is what it is. So we got some. We wrote down some measurements. We did not share that just because we were just doing it, but
You got a bent control arm.
yeah, we think we got a bent control arm. The upper we know is bent. It's got some funny looking stuff there going. But we got the measurements for everything wrote down from the book and whatnot. But we gotta get some parts ordered, and till the next time we work on it, there's always something. We got a whole pile of electrical stuff we gotta go through too. So
We got a lot of work.
yep.
We'll get it done.
Yep. Stay tuned for the next video. Thanks.
Good enough. You did awesome.